Hello everyone, I am Dr. Naveen Chettapalli, General Pediatrician, Ankura Hospitals, Mehdipatnam. There is a lot of confusion, lot of fear going among parents regarding the third wave of COVID, or for that matter, COVID any wave. So let us try and understand few important questions which we frequently face from parents regarding COVID in children. So most commonly parents keep asking us, is there any age the child can wear mask? Can my 1-year-old child wear mask? The answer is there is a clear recommendation. It is basically a common sense also. Any child less than 2 years of age, it is very difficult to motivate them to put on their mask. So any child more than 2 years of age, or preferably more than 5 years of age, it is easy to motivate them. They understand the importance. You keep talking to them and yes, they can wear a mask. Any child less than 2 years of age, it is not ideal to wear a mask. All the attenders or the parents at home can wear a mask. The child can be left free of mask. Can children use hand sanitizer? Is it safe for them? Yes. Children can use hand sanitizer, but that should not be a routine. It is always better and safe to wash their hands with a soap and clean water as far as possible. But in case that is not a possibility, if you think there is no water and soap available in the vicinity, then yes, using hand sanitizer is definitely a safe and better option. But in case if you think there is a possibility to find a soap and water to cleanse your baby's hands, always go for that option. Doctor, there is a lot of COVID pandemic going around. I have missed my vaccinations for the last 6 months or 1 year because of lockdown. Can I go to a hospital or a clinic to get vaccinations to my 1-year-old? This is other important question which we see from parents. I would definitely and firmly say yes to that question. Any of the parents, if you have missed the vaccinations of your child, please try to find a better alternate safe place, because most of the clinics are open now, not just the big hospitals. All the big hospitals, at least we at Ankura, are taking enough precautions to make sure the well babies are being adequately taken care, not to mix up them with the sick baby areas. And we are also giving our best so that the period of stay in the hospital is too shortened. Fix an appointment with your doctor. That decreases the waiting time. Make your doctor be aware that your appointment is for vaccination as soon as you walk into the front office reception. So they will probably try to give you more priority, give you vaccination first, clear off your doubts and send you. So this is an important way to minimize the risk of exposure to kids. So if you are not vaccinated your kid, yes, please do take your kid to the nearest clinic or to the hospital which is safe and give them the vaccination. The other thing which we face is, my child is recently recovered from COVID. Can we give him the vaccinations? How much time should I wait? Yes. See, if the child is asymptomatic, if the child has recovered with home isolation, any time after 2 weeks from recovery, understand it is from recovery. If you think the isolation period is 10 to 14 days, add 14 more days to the last day of isolation. So to avoid the confusion, let me say if the child has developed or tested positive on 1st of June, let me say. So what is the next earliest date? Any time after 4 weeks, that is July 1st, the child is ready to go for regular vaccinations. This in the case of home isolation and child not requiring any admission. In case child required admission, it was a moderate to severe disease. Child has acquired or received steroids or immunoglobulins during hospital stay, then it has to be 1.5 months. So 6 weeks after the child's recovery. So it's hardly 2 weeks difference. Child is stable. Child did not receive any major medicines like steroids. Home quarantine recovery 4 weeks after the infection or 2 weeks after recovery. The child has received steroids or immunoglobulins, then it is after 1.5 months. That is the time where you can go for vaccination. Thank you.